Being outside today, it's going to be steamy. Once again, we're talking about more heat. A few thunderstorms out there we'll get to in here in just a bit. But let's get you out to Cedar Hill as we begin to head toward the lunchtime hour. We're looking at 86 degrees. Yeah, it's heating up already. Feels like it's 90 out in Cedar Hill right now. Lots of high mid-level clouds across the area. So it is going to be partly to mostly cloudy as we get into the afternoon. Clouds may thin out a little bit as we go through the get into the latter half of the afternoon. And look at the cooler temperatures out toward Bowie at 74, 78 in Gainesville. That's where we've had a little more rain and cloud cover out there, so a rain cooled 70s there in those areas, mid upper 80s though, so head a little farther south. Now the best chance again for the showers and storms will be up along the Red River today, still where daytime highs are only going to be in the lower 80s there, out toward Bonham, over toward Paris there, but we are looking at plenty of 90s as you get down into the Metroplex there, and low 90s a little farther west. So we're going to be above average today, it looks like, for the most part overall, and then more heat is going to build in over the next few days, probably looking at our first triple-digit day down the road as we wrap up the week. But let's go back to radar right now. The storms have weakened. Don't have any warnings that's south of the Red River, but over towards Sherman and Bonham, maybe some gusty winds there for you at around 40 miles per hour as we look at that weakening cluster of thunderstorms still moving across Oklahoma for the most part. It's sliding just south of the Red River now, so we'll have maybe some stronger storms again below severe limits, but still can't rule out some gusty winds in those areas out toward Paris and over toward Bonham as we zoom out. That's about all we have as far as the storms are concerned. The intensity has really come down from where we were a few hours ago with those showers and storms and gusty winds and hail that we had a little bit earlier here this morning. But as we look at the satellite radar composite, you see the showers and storms sliding mainly west to east, but a little more of a southeasterly shift is expected as we go through the afternoon. So as a result, we are looking at some strong severe thunderstorms in our northeastern counties. There's that severe thunderstorm watch we showed you earlier. It does include Fannin and Lamar counties, Bonham, Paris included in that, getting out over toward Texarkana and Clarksville until 5 o'clock here this afternoon. So there's the severe weather outlook. That marginal risk comes down toward the Collin, Denton counties here for today. So we can't rule out, still going to hold on to a slight chance, only about a 20% coverage with those showers and storms. Most of North Texas will stay dry. You see that just updated. So taking Collin and Denton counties out of the severe weather risk for today, and that shifts a little farther north and east. So that's updated here as we speak. So I don't think we'll see much of in the way of that activity in Denton County. It doesn't look like now, and heading into the northern part of Collin County could see some stronger thunderstorms. But again, that's going to be on the low marginal risk, and only 60 mile per hour winds is what we're talking about. I think that will be the main threat, and maybe some hail with some of those stronger storms. So here's the timecast as we go into the afternoon hours. You see that shifts off to the north and east. The thunderstorms do. Then we'll have some partly to maybe even mostly sunny skies late in the day, and those temperatures start to heat up. And that's really what we're going to be talking about over the next few days as high pressure builds in. The summertime weather pattern has arrived and we'll be sticking around. The storm track will stay off to our north, and we're talking about triple-digit heat probably by Friday. And look at that Saturday, Sunday, even into the early part of next week. And that heat index could get as hot as 105 over the weekend as well. So yes, it is going to be hot. And with those triple digits, we're talking about daytime highs flirting with records over the next few days as well. You see the records there on the 10-day forecast, and we're going to be looking at temperatures up around 101 to 102 early next week. That continues right on into Tuesday, and not much is going to change through at least the latter half of next week.